If any of you seen the last video, you would know that I found food at the end of that video. Which is, where was that rabbit? Well, I found a rabbit. And I ate it. Quite a little bit ago. Also, I'm recording this one the exact same time as the last one ended off. So, yeah. Yeah, see, I can attack bunnies, right? And I can get food from. It's not the most graceful attacks in the world, but I mean, bruh. I can spot you, I'm a bird. I will spot you, I'm a bird. Anakin Skywalker. I have the high ground. That's Darth Vader right there, and I'm Anakin Skywalker. Ow! I keep hurting myself. Why do I keep doing this to my poor bird? My poor little bird. I keep ramming him into the water. Sir, what's wrong with your bird? Yes. I rammed him too much into the ground. Okay, so why did you keep doing that? I don't know, I just felt like I needed to. Horrible landing. Let's keep going. This is honestly the most oddest playthrough I have ever done. Oh, look, it's fish. Oh, look, it's nothing. Hold on, let me get back to the you know. Might take me a little bit though. But I will get the fish. I have not been successful this entire time. First I have to learn, is there a crocodilian in there? I must know. Is there a crocodile? Yes, that is a croc-infested lake. Or is that just a lake? I'm gonna say that's a croc-infested lake. Which means if I'm not careful, I will be eaten. And I don't want to be eaten. I want to be the eater. You get me. You get me. You get me. No. 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 No, 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 no. No, I can't be kicked out of my only bird server. My bird server. It's the server where I'm playing this bird on. Please tell me No, I'm playing on the wrong server. No, no, I don't want to be a crocodile. No, I don't want to be this. I want to be my bird, dang it. No. Birdie, where did my bird go? No. I don't think we're gonna get him back, though, guys. I don't think we're ever going to see our bird friend again. Not the hipsy. Anything but the hipsy. Guys, I don't think we're gonna get him back. I don't even remember the server that I was playing on. I don't think we're gonna get him back. I spent, well, a little bit on that server, but I just need to play as my bird again. My bird. I don't think we're getting him back. I don't think we're getting him back. I don't think we're getting the bird back. I guess we will have to replay this as a different species of animal. That's a shame, though. Guys, I don't think we're gonna get him back. Guys, I don't think we're gonna get him back ever again. Now I need to think of a more creative name for this title. Our bird has gone extinct because of the server. I don't know what else to do. No. No, we need to find him. We need to find this bird. We need to find Gregory. I mean, Sheena. Again. We need to find her back. Again. We need to find her bird. No. I don't think it was in 5. Maybe it was in 6? Could have been in 6. Maybe it's in 5. It's probably not in 5. Because I would know that. Nope. It's not in 5. But it's good to know that we have a crocodile in 5. So I guess we will change the shift over to the crocodile. Some nice battle music. Up, guys. Change of plans. We are now, instead of playing the bird playthrough, we are now playing a crocodile playthrough. Whoops. Uh-oh. I guess we can always change to the crocodile. Although crocodile isn't really that fun to play as. I guess we can change our focus over to the crocodile. I'm going to probably leave this area. I know there's a lot of fish in here, but that's not content. Who would like to watch a guy play a video game? Right? But that doesn't have, you know, content. Who would ever do that to themselves? But you know what sucks the most? Is that we were about to get one of these tiny little fish. Or pteranodon playthrough. I guess, yeah. I guess we shift our focus over to crocodile. I guess. There's not really anything else we can do but play as a crocodile. Sad. Very sad. But I think we will leave it off here. It was a very odd switch from bird to crocodile. But hopefully we will be seeing this guy again. Unlike our poor little crocodile. But yeah, I guess we will be, I guess I will be seeing you guys in the next